Good evening po sa inyong lahat ulit. Tonight, especially for the guests, we'll be discussing about membership orientation about IMG or International Marketing Group. To just give a brief profile of the speaker, ako po yung magsasalita po tonight. So, I've been with the company IMG for the past 6 years already. So, since 2010 up to now, I'm doing IMG to teach people how to properly manage po yung pera nila. And because one time, ganun din po ako at naghahanap ng solusyon sa problema ko financially. So, I'm an environment engineer by profession po. So, nagtatrabaho po ako sa umaga at sa gabi po ganito yung ginagawa ko. Nagtuturo sa mga kabayan natin or even ibang lahi to properly manage their money kasi hard-earned money po yan. So, 2010 po, that's my first time to go abroad. And may problema ho kami sa pera in terms of managing it. So, 4 na buwan ho yung straight. Wala akong ipon. So, nagtataka kami ng misis ko, ba't walang natitira? And we realized that time that psychological pala ang tao habang kumikita na mas malaki, gumagastos din na malaki. So, yung una kong bansa sa UAE, wala kami ipon from January to April. So, ako yung naghanap. So, actually ako yung naghanap sa IMG. Hindi ho sila yung naghanap sa akin. Wala ho nag-refer sa akin ni sino man. Ako ho yung naghanap. At dahil kailangan ko ng mentor, kailangan ko ho ng magtuturo. So, we are very fortunate to learn about the company. So, we try to attend all of the meetings and conventions for the past 6 years. And we are very fortunate tonight to share this to you kung paano mababago din yung buhay natin financially. So, dati ho, gastador talaga kami. And walang talaga natitira eh. So, doon ko na-realize na kailangan ko ng tulong. So, yun yung nangyari sa amin and we are very fortunate to share this concept to you tonight. Kasi kung kaya kong gawin na iba, imposible hindi natin kayang gawin. So, if deep inside yourself, feeling mo parang yun pa rin yung nangyayari sa finances mo, ang tagal-tagal mo nagtatrabaho, tapos wala pa rin pinupuntahan yung mga pinaghirapan natin pera. Alam niyo po, this is the best time to learn this. And through IMG, I've been with the company for 6 years and I saw people become successful po dito sa kumpanya na to. Okay, so sabi dyan, IMG is where innovation meets inspiration. So, most of the time kasi yung inspiration natin, pamilya natin eh. We work hard for the family. If you're single, for your parents, your siblings. Kung kayo naman po yung married, sa anak mo, sa asawa mo. But sometimes, when we have the money na, galing sa sahod natin, nawawala yung inspirasyon na yon. Kasi we tend to spend money kasi hawak mo. So, lalo na pag may mga bagong gadget na lumabas, if you are a travel buddy or a travel dude, so travel, nawawala ngayon yung reason kung bakit ka ba nagtrabaho in the first place. So, I'm not saying naman wag kayong gumastos or mag-travel. I'm just saying that you need to plan for it. Okay? So, unahin mo muna yung magtabi ka para sa future mo kasi kakampi mo dito yung oras. The time spent, you cannot bring it back again. So, sa pagpapalago ng pera, number one na kakampi mo dyan is oras. Apart from the discipline that you should have. So, yung IMG po, binabalik namin yung rason na yon or yung mission nyo sa buhay na magtrabaho para hindi lang sa inyo, kundi para sa ibang tao. Okay, so yan. Kaya IMG is where innovation meets inspiration. So we look for ways, concepts that can help you paano ma-reach mo yung goals mo or yung inspiration mo sa buhay. So, doon papasok ko yung membership orientation ng company. Okay? Kasi sa buhay yun natin, if we don't prepare for the future, apat ho yung magiging challenges nyo dyan. Number one is yung uncertainty sa labor market. Kasi most of the companies are gearing towards parati computerization. Ibig sabihin, paperless transactions. So, nakakatakot kasi nandyan na yung mga salitang marinig natin, redundancy or layoff or tawag dyan, yung mass layoff kung tawagin, maramihang tanggalan sa trabaho, or minsan pag may financial crisis, we cannot do anything. So, isang magandang example niyan, yung banking industry. Yung, ang titingnan niyo po dati, lahat ng bangko may ATM machine, may mga teller. Because of technology, ATM machine yung pumapalit sa kanila. Planta ng sasakyan, di ba dati, talagang tao nagkakabit ng mga materyales. Ngayon, kahit pintura, robot na. Okay, even nga po mga, ngayon yung sa boarding, check-in ng mga eroplano, if you're traveling, I don't know, when we went to US, alam niyo po, 2 tao lang sa reception, sa boarding gate. All the rest, puro machine na. You need to swipe it on your own. So, kailangan mo lang ng barcode from the printout that you have if you book it in the internet. So, mag-a-assist na lang sila pag may problema. So, just imagine, nasa na yung mga trabaho ng mga tao na napalitan. E, ang problema kasi dito, tingnan mo yung sarili mo. What if kaya ako or ikaw, later on, ikaw naman yung mapalitan? Because kinomputerize na yung trabaho mo. Eh, kung wala ho kayong plan B, definitely, magiging challenge sa inyo yan. So, you need to make sure you set aside money para kung may mga layoff na ganyan, handa ka. Actually, pwede mo pa i-terminate yung boss mo. Diba? Kasi meron ka ng ipon. So, pangalawa, sinasabi dyan, dahil walang ipon, mataas yung utang. Most of the time kasi, ang iniipon, utang. Instead na mag-save, nag-accumulate ng debt. So, yun yung nangyayari. So, kung madami kang utang at mababa yung savings mo, magkakaroon ng problema yan during retirement. Kasi you cannot stop working eh. Wala kang pera na magsusustain sa buhay mo pag wala kang work eh. So, wala kang choice. Magtrabaho ka even the age of 65. Okay? And then pangatlo, yung cost ng education ho, parati yan tumataas. Okay? Wala akong tuition fee na bumababa. It's always going up. Kaya nga may mga rally every year kasi normally ang inflation or pagtaas ng tuition fee nasa 10% yan nung current na tuition fee. So, nakakalungkot isipin, diba, na magsasuffer yung mga anak natin. Instead na magkaroon tayong peace of mind na mag-retire, wala kang choice. Diba? Nandyan yung papatigilin mo mag-aral, mag-working student yung bata. Okay? So, nakakalungkot. So, dapat yan pinaghahandaan kasi you cannot fully say that your family is ready kung ikaw mismo sa sarili mo hindi mo alam na may mga ganun palang bagay na kailangan mong pagandaan. Okay. And then, siyempre, pang-apat, yung cost of living overall. Diba? So, many people have difficulty in saving money para sa future needs nila. And whenever need arises, like emergency repair, emergency illnesses, or diseases, tuition fee, etc., ang only option lang parati utang. Why? Because walang pera eh. Walang perang tinabi sa mga tag-ulan na panahon sa buhay natin. So, sasabi lang dito, prepare for those things. Okay? And living in one of the wealthiest countries in the world, like US, alam niyo po sa US, marami pa rin naghihirap. Nagre-retire na mahirap kasi they don't know how to manage their money. Okay, and dito sa IMG, what we will teach you is to control your future. The only way for you to to cope up with that challenges is to control your future. Okay? Do not, in other words, you need to do it yourself. Do not rely on anybody like the government, kaibigan mo, to do it for you. You should do it yourself because the future is in your hands. So when you make money, 'di ba? Responsibility mo 'yan. Okay? Hindi yan responsibility ng ibang tao. Ikaw dapat nagmo-manage niyan. Okay? When you save that money, you need to have your own discipline. 'Di ba? Kasi you cannot save money without discipline. And you can never grow your money without time. So accumulation of money is a combination of time plus disciplina. And then syempre you cannot give that to your family as a inheritance or mana kung hindi mo po protektahan. Okay? So you need to know how to make a last will and testament, prepare for those things na dapat hindi pag-aawayan ng pamilya. So lahat ng 'yan nasa kamay mo. Okay? And in order for you to become your own money manager, para magawa mo 'yan ng sarili mo, you do it on your own, maintindihan mo dapat paano ba nagtatrabaho yung pera. Okay? Ano ba lakaran sa pera? Paano ba napapalago yan? Paano ba dadami yung pera ko systematically? Okay? So, pag alam mo na yung konsepto, sunod dyan na application. You should know how to make your money work for you. Okay? And there are some concepts that you need to learn para mangyari. One of the concepts that I learned 2010, which is very close to my heart because this is how I build my finances, is you build up a strong financial foundation. Okay, like building a house. When you build a house, you never see a house na ginagawa, inuuna bubong. You should start from the foundation. Okay, unfortunately, sa finances natin, ang bubong is yung mga investment, which is typically a person or especially Filipinos goes to that roof una. Okay, like for example, investment, they tend to buy properties, paramihan pa yan, condominium, meron na sa Quezon City, meron pa sa Cavite, meron pa sa Pasig. So paramihan. Hindi nila alam that somehow it's the roof, bubong yun eh. So tutusin nga, dapat yun pa yung huli mong gagawin. Some of us naman ang ginagawa, they start up a business. Okay, so they set up their own business because somehow they can earn profit from them. Okay, and yung ibang pinapasok yung paper investment like stock market, mutual funds, ganyan. Okay, those are investments that give you interest dun sa perang nilagay mo. But unfortunately, since bubong yun, hindi mo maiwasan sa buhay mo na merong emergency darating. Okay? Emergency happen during those times that it's very inconvenient for you. Nangyayari, yung emergency, dumarating pero walang pondo. So, nangyayari, yung lahat ng naipundar dun sa bubong niya, inuubos. Like, kung may property yan, hindi na babayaran. Worst scenario, isasanla, ibebenta. And most of the time, palugi. Pera sa stock market, binibenta, kahit bagsak ang market. Business, sinasara, kahit magandang pasok ng pera. Why? Because you have emergency. So, yun yung nakakalungkot. At pag wala na yung naipundar, investments, most of the time, pumupunta na yan sa utang. Diba? So, kahit kapit sa patalim, kakapitan mo talaga, sanla ka ng ATM, kasama mo passport mo. Okay? And somehow, you need to manage that. If you can eliminate it, the better. Dito sa IMG, we can teach you how to do it. Kung baon ho kayo sa utang right now, huwag ho kayong malungkot kasi meron hong solusyon dyan. Okay? And IMG will give you the platform, the equipment for you to use para ho mawala yung utang na yun. Okay? And then, syempre, just always make sure, especially if you're the breadwinner, ano kaya mangyayari sa pamilya mo kung may hindi magandang nangyari sa'yo habang nagtatrabaho ka or habang dumadaan ka sa kalye or habang nasa labas ka ng bahay mo or even nasa bahay, something happened, untoward incident, kinuha tayo ni Lord. So, just imagine what will happen to your family. Okay? So, somehow, sinasabi dito, kailangan meron kang income replacement, protection para sa pamilya. Okay? Income replacement po ang tawag namin dyan. Sa financial industry, they call that life insurance. Okay? So, life insurance meaning is para yung spare na gulong. Whenever you drive a car, meron yung parating spare kang kasama, kahit mabigat. And sometimes, pag naplatan ka, that spare tire you can use right away para yung biyahe mo tuloy-tuloy. The same thing sa finances. Okay? Kasi sa buhay, hindi naman natin alam kailan ka mapaplatan eh. Hindi natin alam kung kailan may mangyayari sa atin. But if you love your family, sinasabi lang, proteksyonan mo sila, kumuha ka ng insurance mo. Kasi yun yung nakakalungkod, like kung ikaw ay driver ng sasakyan, yung kotse mo may insurance yan, hindi mo ma-renew yan. Kung yung ano niyan, yung registration, kung walang insurance, di ba? But just imagine, yung driver walang insurance. Pag na-aksidente, total wreck yung kotse, palit bago. Pero yung driver kaya, mapapalitan ba? Di ba? Pag bumili tayo ng gadget, ayaw natin na walang warranty, minsan extend pa yan. Gusto nyo po 2 taon. Gustong-gusto natin bilhin. Pero mismo yung gumagamit, wala man lang warranty para sa pamilya. So, nakakalungkot. So, yung insurance somehow, yun yung pwede mong sandalan just in case may mangyari sa'yo. Kasi just imagine po, yung 5,000 for example na binabayad mo sa stock market or sa mutual funds. Pag may nangyari sa'yo, magkano yung makukuha ng pamilya? 5,000 lang din. Do you think that 5,000 can help the family adjust dun sa pagkawala ng breadwinner? Hindi. Diba? Pambili ng bigas yun eh. Pero let's say, for example, if you get a life insurance, then that 5,000, ang balik sa'yo, 2 milyon. If something happened to you. Diba? So, yung pamilya, sasabihin sa namatay, oh, responsableng tao to. Kasi yung 5,000 mo, napalitan 2 milyon. Diba? That's the purpose of life insurance. So, especially if you're still building your wealth or wala ho kayong pera ngayon or baon ka sa utang, okay, definitely you need income replacement. Okay? And then, syempre, panghuli, kung meron para sa pamilya, protection, paano naman yung protection ko sa sarili ko? Diba? Kasi ang greatest asset po ng buhay ninyo, hindi yung mga naipundar nyo. Ang asset po natin talaga, tayo, sarili. Kasi tayo yung naglalabas ng pera. Yung tawag sa atin, money machine eh. Pag nagkasakit yung money machine, na dispalinghado na, do you think makakaproduce pa ng pera yun? Hindi na, di ba? So, protectionan mo siya. Meaning, kumuha ka ng insurance para naman sa health mo. Kasi even if you like or you love working, pag naglabasan na yung sakit, alam nyo po, you cannot work anymore. The company will remove you. So, if you cannot work anymore, ang tanong, kung meron ka mang healthcare, for example, dito or sa company mo, susunod kaya yan pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas? Iwan lahat eh. Coterminous kasi yun. So, pag wala ka na sa company, wala ka na sa Kuwait, wala na rin yung benepisyo mo. Okay? So, may dalawang klase ho ng healthcare. Isang short term, isang long term. Yung short term, yun yung meron ka habang nagtatrabaho ka. Eh, pero pag uwi mo sa atin, wala ka ng trabaho, ano kaya mangyayari? So, syempre, kung may sakit ka, ano nangyayari? Yung mga naipundar mo, bibili mo lang ng gamot, mababayad mo sa ospital. Pero kung may long-term healthcare ka, yun yung pangalawang klase ng healthcare, yun yung pwede mo sandalan. Para pagtanda natin or naglabasan na yung sakit, dahil kinuha mo siya nung malakas ka, meron kang gagamitin. Actually, yun yung pag-uusapan natin mamaya. Okay? About healthcare. So, parang bahay. If you build a house, you must build it from ground pataas. Never build it from up, down. Why? Because konting ihip lang ng bagyo ng buhay dyan, talagang bagsak yung foundation mo. Okay, so I don't know, maybe some of you have their own condos na, you have your own real estate, you have your own businesses, may stock market ka na, whatever. Okay, sinasabi lang dito, kung meron ka na niyang existing right now, protektahan mo siya. Now you protect it, i-build mo yung foundation mo ng tama. Okay? And syempre, mas ma-apply mo yan, yung foundation na yan, through the technology that we have right now. Kasi ang sitwasyon natin ngayon, it's information age na. Sabihin, anything that you want, information, you can get it from the internet. So just a one click of the mouse away, you can get the information. Like, travel ka, for example, you book it on your own na. Diba? You don't need travel agents anymore. Shopping ka, you can do it eBay or Amazon. Kailangan mo lang libro, mag-eBay ka or mag-Amazon ka. Okay? Kung gusto mo naman ng membership discounts, mag-Costco ka or SNR membership. Okay? Kasi whenever you have, ako dito, for example kami, sa mga grupo namin sa triathlon, may discount kami sa isang sporting goods dito. Okay? So, member ka kasi. So, you can get better deals and save more money dun sa mga yon. Sa IMG is the same. If you want to build your financial foundation, okay, marami na akong Pilipino or tao na natulungan ng IMG. The same as me way back 2010, how IMG changed my life. Kasi natutunan kong mag-invest, natutunan kong mag-save, pero ang question doon, paano ko i-apply? Okay? And yun yung aspeto na meron yung IMG na wala ho yung iba. Okay? Like example, we teach people to educate themselves on personal finance. So, we rather give people the information. It's like parang you're teaching them how to fish rather than giving them fish. Okay? And whenever they know how to fish na, alam na nila yung financial information, then the next thing they will do is to apply what they learn. So, marami yung access ang IMG sa may mga iba-ibang financial products and services wherein you can invest your money. Okay? And syempre, whenever you do that, you need training. Okay? You cannot grow your money without proper training. So, may support along the way para hindi ka naliligaw. Okay, and whenever you do that, you're parking your money and investing it in companies, you save money for doing it. Kasi you're doing it yourself na. So, you don't need the broker anymore. So, ikaw na mismo yun. Wala nang middleman. Okay? And syempre, if you are planning to do an extra income, meron ho dito sa IMG. Kasi some of us, problema, alam mo, maganda yung konsepto, maganda yung tinuturo, but paano ko mag-i-invest kung wala naman akong pang-invest? Diba? So, dito meron ng business opportunity for you to earn commission. Whenever you share your know-how in the financial industry sa mga kaibigan mo, you can get extra income on the side. Okay? We'll talk more about that later, especially if you have questions mamaya. So, you can learn and earn in the financial industry. So, natututo ka na, kumikita ka pa. Okay? Or kumikita ka na, natututo ka pa. At the same time, pinaka-importante ho dito, nakakatulong ka sa iba. Kasi you're teaching them to save money. You're not teaching them to spend money. Okay? At mapapaigting nyo ho yan if you know really how money works. And this concept, X-curve concept, is like telenovela ng buhay. Di ba? Mahilig naman tayo sa telenovela eh. So, financial aspeto ng buhay natin is like also telenovela. And normally, may dalawa kayong linyang dapat maintindihan dito. Okay, so isang linya pataas, saka isang linya pababa. Okay, the line going up, we call that money line. And the line going down, we call this responsibility line. Okay, and usually, sa telenovela ng buhay nyo, nag-uumpisa yan nung bata ka. Wherein, wala kang ipon. No savings. Why? Because ang taas ng responsibility mo. And one of them is taking care of your family. Diba? And whenever you take care of your family, tapos dagdag dyan yung mga gastos mo sa bahay, may anak ka, education, sa health mo, sa utang, kung nag-amortize ka na. So, normally, less secure ka dyan. Why? Something happened to you, parati kang kinakabahan. Kung hindi ka magising bukas, kinakabahan ka, ano kayo magiging klase ng buhay pamilya ko? Okay? Kaya less secure ka. So, para maging secure ka during that time na wala ka pang ipon, kuha ka dyan na income replacement or life insurance. Yun yung magsasalba ng pamilya mo para makapag-adjust sila sa pagkawala natin. And whenever you have that discipline to set aside money every month, kita taas ho yung money line nyo. And technically, habang tumataas yung money line, bumababa yung responsibilidad. Because you have money na to pay for those responsibility. Okay? And syempre, sa huling yugto ng telenovela ng buhay natin, ang objective is matpalago mo yung pera mo. Pag napalago mo yung pera mo, when you get old, wala ka na responsibilidad. Okay? And you need to make sure that you can take care of yourself para hindi ka asa sa mga anak mo or sa charity or even beyond 65 mag-work ka. Pag nangyari yan at marami kang pera, generally, more secure ka dyan. Okay? At paano mangyayari yun? Paano ka magiging more secure dyan? Tandaan mo tong konsepto na to, yung 10-20 rule. Okay, sabi dyan, you may need at least 10 times your income to properly protect your family. So, ibig sabihin ng properly protecting your family is getting yourself life insurance for the family. So, if you want to get a life insurance, for example, especially if you are less secure kasi ikaw yung breadwinner, dapat yan, annual income mo times 10. Para meron 10 taon yung pamilya as if nandun ka pa rin nagbibigay ng pera. Okay? At pag matanda na tayo, when you plan to retire na, you may need at least 20 times of your income to have enough for retirement. Okay? Like for example, if you retire at the age of 60, at least hanggang 80 anyos or 80 years old, may pera ka. Okay? Kahit di ka nag-work. Kasi nagtabi ka ng 20 years ng sahod mo. Okay? At mangyayari lang yan kung alam mo kung paano yung ginagawa ng mayaman. Kasi may tinatawag tayo na magic of compounding interest or rule of 72. Ang nag-invento niya si Einstein. Sabi ni Einstein, pag ang 72, dinivide mo kung ilang percent mo nilagay ang pera mo, yun ang dami ng taon kung kailan yan dodoble. For example, you put your money at 4%, di ba? 72 every 4, divide 4 equals 18 years. So, dodoble yung pera mo pala every 18 years. So, kung 29 ka at may 100,000 ka, pagdating mo ng 47, okay, magiging 200 yung pera mo. Kasi dodoble siya di ba? Every 18 years. At pagdating mo ng 65, 47 plus 18, yung 200 mo, magiging 400. Okay? It's like parang yung principal ngayon, di ba, yun yung pera mo, 100,000. Sa susunod na taon kasi magkakaroon na interest yun. So, pag hindi mo siya ginalaw, yung 100 mo plus interest, magkakaroon nila ng bagong interest. So, gawin mo yan ng 72 na beses, dodoble yung pera mo. Okay? At kung ilalagay mo yan sa 8%, every 9 years, dodoble yung pera natin. So, yung 100,000 mo, pwede maging 1.6 million. At kung ilalagay mo yan sa 12%, every 6 years, dodoble. Yung 100,000 mo, pwede maging 6.4 at the age of 65. Okay? So, paano yan minamanage ng mga mayayaman? Okay? Kasi, kung titingnan mo, ilang 4 ba meron sa 8? Diba times 2? But ilang 400 meron sa 1.6? Times 4. Yan, tignan mo dito sa ilalim. Parehong edad nag-start, parehong amount nag-umpisa, bakit magkakaiba yung pera pagdating ng panahon? Okay? Yun yung sikreto. Tingnan mo to, ilang 4 meron sa 12, di ba times 3? Pero ilang 400 meron sa 6.4? Times 16. Okay? So, sabi ni Einstein, hindi ibig sabihin, dinoble mo interest yung pera mo, dodoble lang din siya. Bottom line, hindi. Ang pera mo, nagko-compound. In other words, nagiging exponential yung growth niya. Okay? Ngayon, ang problema dito, most of Filipinos ay mag-ipon sa 12%. They rather put their money in a bank or sa 4% kasi sabi nila sarili nila, secure yan. Okay? But even the banks right now are not secure anymore. Wala namang kasiguraduhan sa mundo eh. Okay? You rather put your money in a higher interest rate even if you know there's a risk. Okay? But at the end of the day, it's calculated. Why? Because you know what you are doing. So, dito sa IMG, okay, tuturuan namin kayo, saan ba yung 12% na? At the same time, magkaroon ka ng confidence kasi inaaral mo. Okay, so nawawala ngayon yung takot, nawawala ngayon yung financial ignorance. Okay, kasi if I teach you, for example, put that money at 12%, do you think that money can be used sa retirement ninyo? If you put that money at 12% pataas. Okay? Do you think makakatulong yan ng gusto sa education ng mga anak natin? Laking tulong ho. And when I learned it way back 2010, I never get hold of my money na ilagay ko lang sa bangko. I rather put my money sa 12% pataas because that will give me more time na mas maikli yung paglago. Okay? Rather than put that in a 4% for example, tapos ang return naman sa iyo sobrang liit. Okay? Kasi ang ginagawa dyan ng mayayaman, alam niyo po, di ba, we rather put that money at 4. So, anong nangyayari, gagawin ng mayayaman, ilalagay yan sa 12. So, iramin niya muna. Kasi you don't know naman eh. So, paano? Kasi lahat ng mga business tycoon sa Pilipinas, may sariling bangko. And whenever you invest your 100,000, they will use that muna, papalaguin nila yung business nila. So, by the time na mag-retire ka, hindi ka pa naman kasi magre-retire, di ba? So, by the time mag-retire ka, at the age of 65, tingnan ninyo, yung 400,000 na tinubo mo sa 4%, ibabalik sa iyo. Pero yung 6 na milyon, sino kaya nagtago? Na kanino kaya napunta? Sa may-ari ng bangko. Okay? So, napalago na nila yung pera mo. Yan ho yung reason kung ba't yung mayayaman lalong yumayaman at yung mahihirap sa atin lalong umihirap. Because they let the rich people do the handling of their money for them. Inahayaan at pinapaubayan nila sa mga mayayaman na may-ari ng bangko yung pera nila na kaya naman pala nila gawin sa sarili as long as financially educated ka. At yun yung ino-offer namin sa IMG. Okay, rather than get your money and we do the investing for you, bakit hindi na lang ikaw mismo turuan kita para ikaw na mismo mag-invest ng pera mo? Kasi in the first place, it's hard-earned money. Hindi mo yan papakatiwala sa iba, di ba? So, turo na lang namin sa iyo para nandun din yung accountability or responsibility kasi pera mo yan. Okay? So, dito, we teach people how mutual fund works, like savings and investing. If you're interested in doing it, we can give you the platform to grow your money. Alam niyo po, when I started this 2010, it really grow our finances that we cannot really imagine na totoo ba to. Okay? It's just a matter of deciding it to your life that you want to get rich, and you will be the one na magpapabago niyan, hindi yung ibang tao. So, if you want to learn about mutual funds, then we can share our concepts to you. Kasi you cannot, alam niyo yun, yung pera kasi natin sa bangko, it's never been in the history of banking na tumaas yan sa inflation or yung pagtaas ng bilihin. Taon-taon no kasi tumataas yan. And normally, depende sa economy ng bansa, nasa 4 to 6% ang growth ng inflation. So, just imagine, kung lugi yung pera mo, lumalago lang ng 1% to 4%, so, nalulugi ka every year. Tapos ang katerbang tax pa. Okay? These are most likely you're losing money every day. So, people face a lot of problem living long life without adequate income. So, dito, with proper understanding and preparation na ino-offer ng IMG sa atin, you can build up your future retirement ng tama. Okay? When we talk about life insurance, alam niyo po maraming klase ng insurance. Term life, whole life, universal life, variable life, index life. Okay? And we let people to understand it so that when they are ready to buy insurance, they know what they are doing. Hindi yung basta-basta ka lang bibili tapos hindi mo alam habang buhay ka pala magbabayad hanggang 99 years old. Kasi may mga insurance na ganyan. And some of us, bibili ng insurance tapos they don't even know how much yung ibibigay sa family if something happened to them. Para lang masabi may insurance ako. Kaya ako bumili. Pero yung detalye ng insurance na yun, hindi natin alam. Okay, like for example, iba nakakausap ko, easy, meron naman ako insurance sa company. So why I will get insurance pa? Okay? Oo, meron ka habang nasa company ka. Pero pag wala ka na sa company, sinipa ka na, wala na rin yung insurance mo. We call that group insurance. Okay, so even calculating our insurance needs, kung magkano yung insurance na kailangan mo, using DIME method, we teach that to people. Okay, so you can learn how to properly protect your family. O pag-usapan natin long-term care. Paano pagtanda? Okay, isang matinding question dyan eh. What if you live too long? Paano kung matagal ka mabuhay? Kasi sabi nila masamang damo daw. Okay, do you know that the lifetime income option ng long-term care, kung meron ho kayong long-term care, yun yung magpo-provide sa'yo as long as you are in this world. Ibig sabihin, as long as you live. Okay? Kasi yan, alam nyo po, yan pinagkaiba natin sa mga Amerikano. Americans, as early as 18 years old, they set aside money for healthcare, for long-term care. That's the reason why they can afford to pay caregivers pagtanda nila. Sa atin baliktad eh. Kung tumanda ka at wala kang pera, mag-aalaga sa iyo asawa mo, anak mo, pamangkin mo, pinsan mo, apo mo. Pag ayaw ka ng alagaan, mabalot ka na lang sa banig, paanod ka sa ilog. Diba? So, if you prepare for it, especially ang long-term care po, kinukuha yan habang malakas ka. Pag hindi ka na malakas, nobody will give you anymore. So, yun din yung magpo-provide ng healthcare mo when you retire or when you stop working. Someone to take care of you when you get old. Okay? Kasi you cannot get healthcare anymore pag palo mo ng 60. Nobody will give you that healthcare. Kung meron man po, babayaran mo masyadong mahal. Okay? But if you took it as early as possible when you are still young and you can afford to pay, okay, yun yung magagamit mo, masasandalan mo pagtanda. Kasi ito yung tanong eh, how comfortable is your healthcare situation at the age of 60? Tatagalogin ko. Sino ho kaya ang bibili ng gamot ninyo or magbabayad sa gastusin mo sa hospital pagpalo mo ng 60 at naglabasan na yung sakit mo? Magdidepende ho yan sa desisyon nyo ngayon. Okay? Kasi kung di mo alam kung sino magbabayad yan, I hope wag niyo iasa sa pamilya, lalong wag niyo iasa sa gobyerno. So, gawin mo ng paraan. Ikaw mismo habang kaya mo. Okay? Habang kaya mo ngayon. So, you can prepare sa golden years mo. So, it's really about preparation, kung mapapansin nyo. So, again, about education. If you have small children that will soon to be going to college, okay, ito yung problema. Papaaralin ng high school, elementary, pero most of the time, pagdating ng college, stop muna. Diba? Parang hindi naman yata fair sa mga anak natin. So, if you want to have a good children that are going to school for college, prepare it. Wag niyong iasa. Wag niyong ibitinin. Sabi nga nila, o anak ha, ikaw muna yung pahinga ngayon kasi si kuya mag-aaral. Pagka-graduate ni kuya, siya na bahala sa'yo. Okay? Mahirap naman yung ganun. So, you need to prepare for it. And we can teach you how to compute that. Okay? So, again, if you have, for example, properties already or meron kang planong mag-accumulate ng wealth mo, it doesn't end that way eh. it's very important that you can give it away sa mga beneficiaries or mga tagapagmana ninyo. And that's what we call protecting your future. Okay? So, asset preservation po ang tawag doon. Okay? Kasi meron mga pagkakataon, like for example, sigurado ba tayo yung pamilya natin, di pag-aawayan yung mga ari-arian natin later on kung may mangyari sa atin. Siyempre, hindi eh. May mga cases nga ho kami na, alam niyo yun, lumalabas yung kagahaman sa pera pagka namatay na yung breadwinner. So, akala mo babait noon, tapos ngayon, ikaw pa inaaway. And most of the time, nagpa-family reunion sila sa korte. Diba? So, dun naghahablahan na eh. So, make sure, do you think you have that document we call last will and testament? Kung ngayon mo nga lang yan narinig, so definitely you need to have that. Okay? Wag mo pong sabihin na wala kang ari-arian. Kasi anything that you have like savings account, it's an asset. Okay? So, it's good to have your wishes documented so that they can be carried out. Okay, all of those things you can avail and enjoy as a privilege and benefits when you become an associate member of IMG. So it's a membership platform that IMG can offer to you so that you can have all of those things na nandyan po sa harap ninyo ngayon. So like, for example, Lifetime Financial Education Workshop. Okay? we conduct regular workshops po. For example, dito sa Kuwait, and we do that for also webinars. Okay? Meron hong 5 module that you can enjoy to learn about personal finance. Okay? So, 5 workshops po yung ginagawa namin. So, nasa workshop number 3 na kami this coming week. You can avail that as well. Okay? For free. So, lifetime po yun hanggang matutunan mo. Okay? Again, kung may natutunan po kayo, you need to share that to your friends. So, nandun din yung mekanismo nun. Okay? Lifetime regular financial check-up. We can teach you how to check up yung bulsa po ninyo. Okay? Especially, for example, meron kang pera na tutulog sa bangko. Gusto mong palaguin na mas malaki. So, you need check up. Nagkaroon ka ng bonus. Do you know what to do with the bonus? Okay? Sa ngayon, pag naging associate kayo ng IMG, hindi mo na yung basta-basta dadalhin sa avenues. You will learn how to save it para sa future mo. Wala, natanggal ka sa trabaho. Do you know what to do? Okay? So, it's part of the regular financial check-up. So, para yung kung may sakit ka, saan ka pupunta? Doktor, diba? May sira sa sakyan mo, mekaniko. May sira ang ngipin, dentista. Pero kung meron kayang sira yung bulsa nyo, saan kayo magpupunta? Hindi pwede sa mananahi. Diba? Pwedeng bulsa na walang laman. Okay? So, kung butas-butas yan, dito sa IMG, will teach you how to check it up para alam mo kung ano sitwasyon mo. Tapos, set up natin paano mo mapunta yung goal mo. Okay? And then, syempre, if you apply na yung natutunan mo, isang benefits o privilege na makuha mo is yung pag-preserve ng assets mo. Okay? So, asset preservation services like setting up your own corporation para mapamana mo ng tama. Like, for example, I just inquired earlier po sa Pilipinas paano mag-set up ng corporation. So, they send me quotation kung paano gawin. So, pag uwi ko ngayong September, I will set it up para may holding company ako. So, lahat ng property ko, lahat ng asset namin, dun ko ipapangalan. And whenever you do that, you don't need to pay taxes anymore, yung tinatawag natin estate tax. Okay? At pag ginawa nyo ho yan, alam nyo po, if you do it outside, you hire an attorney, minimum ho dyan, nasa 800,000 piso. But here in IMG, through IMG, we can have it exclusive for members, 18,000. So, ang laki ng tipid nyo. Nasaan na yung 82? Pwede mo lang pang-invest ulit. Okay? You can also get discounts on real estate companies. Like, for example, bili ka ng condo. Diba? Kung bibili ka man lang ng kondo, o di wag ka nang bumili sa ahente kasi ikaw na mismo yung broker ng sarili mo dahil member ka ng IMG. Ang tawag mo namin dyan, immediate benefits. So, you get discounts right away. Okay? So, instead na ginudbay mo yung pera mo sa ahente, alam niyo yun, yung commission, balik na lang sa'yo. Hindi na mapupunta sa iba. Okay? Hindi lang yun, kasi real estate lang yan. Marami yung financial products and services, you can get discounts from that. Example ho niyan, for example, yung car and home insurance. Diba? Kung may kotse ka, papa-insure mo, diba? Bakit hindi na lang ikaw mismo yung broker ng sarili mo sa insurance company ng kotse? Like for example, 30,000 yan, then you can get 6,000 pesos as a discount. Okay? Mortgage insurance o yung MRI or yung mismong home insurance pagka nasunugan. So you can have it as well. Non-life po ang tawag namin doon or general insurance. You can also have access to health products and services. Okay, let's check for example, merong saving program for health na 3-in-1, parang kape. May investment ka na, may savings ka pa or tawag nito, insurance, tapos meron ka pang tawag nito, healthcare. Diba? So, healthcare insurance investment sa isang healthcare program. Okay? Laking tipid yun. Kasi po, mas mahal yan pag bibili mo iwa-iwalay. Okay? For example, if you have also access to life products and services, like dito lang ho sa IMG, merong company na pinakamurang insurance sa buong Pilipinas. Exclusive lang po na ino-offer sa IMG. You cannot even buy it sa office nila. Okay? You can also have access sa investment or retirement products. You want to learn about 12% pataas na interest rates. Okay? Whenever you do that, alam niyo po, you need to pay kasi the fund manager, yung magmamanage ng pera mo. Commission nila yon. Dito sa IMG, wini-waive na natin yun. Ibig sabihin, wala na yan. Zero sales load na yun. Okay? Wala na ho kayong babayaran sa sales load. Yun ho yung tawag dun sa commission ng fund manager. So, it's totally free. Kumbaga, yung 5,000 i-invest mo, for example, puro yun. Buo na 5,000 yung mabibili mo na shares. Okay? And you get accredited with various financial products and services. Why? Because highly regulated doon ng Philippine government yan. Pag hindi ho kayo accredited, you cannot get discounts. Pwede ka pa makulong. Kasi you cannot go directly to them without accreditation. So here in IMG, when you become an associate member, you can get direct access sa kanila. So wala ka ng middleman. And whenever you do that, and accredited yourself, then you can build a business in the financial industry. So meron ng business opportunity dito kung gusto niyo na extra income. Okay? Kasi whenever you recommend the companies to your friends, for example, you are compensated through commission. So parang nakatulong ka na sa iba na mag-save, may blessing na babalik sa iyo as a reward kasi tinulungan mo silang mag-ipon. And whenever you do that, you do the business opportunity in IMG, you can also have an opportunity to travel the world for free or subsidized. Okay, so it's like parang incentive for you whenever you help people. Okay, so modesty nga aside po, dito sa IMG lang ako naka-experience. Ilang beses so sa isang taon, I went to US with my family for free. Why? Because yung business opportunity, ginawa ko. So, even if it's part-time, I do it, ginagawa ko lang productive yung oras sa gabi. Or yung oras ko, whenever I have spare time, ginagawa ko siyang productive. Instead of me watching movies, 4 na beses sa isang araw, alam mo yun, you just trim it down, gamitin mo yung oras. Kasi yun lang naman yung meron tayo na pare-pareho eh. Spare time. So, kung paano ginagamit ni Henry C. yung 24 hours niya, nagdidepende sa paggamit din natin sa 24 hours natin dito. Okay? So, kung kaya mo kumita na extra using your time, like the opportunity IMG is giving to us, Ganun po. You can also travel the world. So, para meron kang business with lifestyle. Hindi pwedeng puro business lang tapos di ka marunong mag-play or mag-enjoy. Okay? So, all of those things po you can avail whenever you become an associate member of IMG. Okay? So, in a nutshell, ito po yung major providers po ng company. Okay? So, ikaw na mismo yung broker ng sarili mo. So, para ka nasa isang malaking discount center. Kasi every time you get access to those things, you get discounts. Okay? So, like healthcare, kailangan mo. So, merong 3-in-1 saving program for you there. Okay, you get discount. Life insurance, pinakamurang life insurance sa Pilipinas. Okay? Yung term insurance ng Philem Life. Investment, if you want to know the 12% pataas, that's the best place to go. Real estate, okay, SMDC, Ayala, DMCI, Vistiland, big companies in the Philippines. You can go directly to them. Then you can get the commission on your own. So, discount uli yun. Okay, general insurance, sa bahay, yung kanina, sa kotse. Merong kakilala, merong fleet of cars, like pinang-Uber niya, mga 5 kotse, or even taxi. Or baka kayo mismo merong ganon. Why not Coconut, di ba? You get the discount for yourself. Okay, meron nga akong isang nakausap po yung presidente na IMG, may-ari ho siya ng maraming taxi sa Cebu. So, by just sharing this information, then happy yung friend niya because lahat ng insurance ng kotse sa kanya na pinangalan as a broker. Okay? And lastly, yung Allied Financial Services, yun tinatawag natin na asset preservation. You can set up your own corporation like holding company. Then, pwede mong gamitin yun to preserve your estate. Hindi ngayon pag-aawayan ng pamilya. Okay, so with that,